having some fun with Forsythia today. I'm making a sort of wreath. I started with a long new growth whippy piece that I could bend how I wanted, bunching the little stems of flowers so I have some going in each direction, and zip tying it to my base branch. I discovered that Forsythia is not very wreath friendly. The flowers are very delicate and falling off. And the wind is blowing everything away. I should have chose a less windy day or a better spot. I will try to block the wind here some and finish this up. Once I had little bunches attached to my base branch everywhere. I then took a few extra whippy strands and weaved them around to try to cover my zip tie spots. So I did manage to get my wreath, or letter N, wreath, finished. I don't think it will last because, like I said, they are so delicate. Maybe the next one I'll do in a round form and add some other flowers in amongst it. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little bit of fun with the Forsythia today. If you like crafting with natural materials, check out my channel. Thanks.